we need to set a goal for this programming session. So here's my idea for the goal. Since we're going to be making this game, let's one more time go over the game just in case anyone's forgetting. We're going to be making a tower defense where there's 2 teams. There's team A, there's team B. Maybe I'm team B, you guys are all team A. Chat gets to vote where to place the towers. We'll probably just do the most common point will be the point in which we place a tower. The goal is that I want to invade their territory with my towers. They want to invade my territory with your guys' towers. Towers can attack towers. At some point, creeps start walking across. If a creep makes it all the way across, whatever side that creep started on, that side loses a tower automatically, right? So it's real. You got to be careful here, okay? So what we're going to do is I want to make it so that chat right now can place towers. Does that make sense? Let's start there. So very, very simple. We'll do a 10-second placement, and I'll give you the ability to place a tower. And if you place a tower, it should show up on the screen in Vim. Yeah? I don't like sports games. Real. That's real. It's a Neovim game. What language? The server, we're going to be using Alka's TMI, which is going to be JavaScript, and we'll use that standard in, standard out for communication. We'll be using Go for the game server, and we'll be using Lua and Neovim for the game client. Keyboard cam. Primogen Sports. It's in the Vim. Go mentioned, yeah. So it should be pretty good. So we got ourselves a pretty good kind of set of technologies here, okay? We should be pretty quick at being able to do this. All right. So let's get rid of this thing. So one thing that RM index, let's get rid of that horrifying version of whatever the hell is going on there. So right now we do have the following. Let's get rid of that and go down here and let's get rid of that thing. There we go. All right. So right now we have this and we need to get all of this information out right here. Yeah. I believe all we need is user state. Here, I'm going to start changing these things up. Let's actually figure out something to do here. So if I'm not mistaken, user state, does it have stuff? Does it have bits? I believe it has bits. Okay, cool. So I'm going to go like this, console.log, user state.displayName, user that. Okay, there we go. Oh, we should probably use one of those, we should probably use this. We want to upgrade this just a little bit such that we can do that, right? There we go. Bam, bam, bam. Take that. And we should go like this. Bits this. There we go. And then we'll do, yeah, everyone's good with that? There we go. So now we've upgraded our client to actually have some meaningful messages here. Yeah, we're all good with that. Hey, thank you, Swamp Daddy and Fuzzilla. And give this guy puppers. Oh, dude, I love my puppers. Dahorak. Hey, Dahorak. I use Dvorak. And I am Daz. All right, oui. So pretty straightforward. So now we have a nice way we can parse this out, right? So we have these things right here. Position 0 is the type of message. Position 1 is who sent it. And position 2, of course, is the message itself. Pretty straightforward. So when I'm trying to place towers, I'm going to be looking for this. When we do pay to lose and you want to lose, we use this, okay? Come on. Imagine how amazing that's going to be. All right, so pretty straightforward. So this is done. That means we need to actually upgrade our Go client a little bit. So right now I have this whole reading from the standard in, which just reads and sends out messages. We have a TCP server so that we can start sending messages to. All of that stuff is effectively correct. I should probably start pulling these things into separate files, but we're not really allowing that quite yet. We have allowable characters. We have all this. I need to make something that knows how to read based on probably some sort of command line flag. Can we agree to that? Strategy pattern is what they call this. Yeah? Oh, console.log should be log. Sure. Let's make you know what? You're right. The man, you know what? Damn it, he's out of line. He's out of line, but man, he's right. let's go like this. Let's go const log equals console.log. You don't need to bind it anymore. Alexi made that change on the Chrome team. Thank you, Alexi. There we go. How great is that? How great is that? Oh, you know what? You're right. This is not enterprise enough. Okay, we need logger.js, and we need to export const log equals console.log. That way, when we actually use our chat.js, we can go in here and we can import log from logger. All right, there we go. We're enterprising, boys. We are enterprising so hard right now. It's ridiculous. There we go. This is looking good. I have strong feelings like we're doing the right stuff here. All right, and then let's go like this. Chat.js. It did not work. We can't use module statements. I don't know what I'm doing here. Const log or equals require log. There we go. That looks about right. Do that, but then it's like, hey, you can't do that either. So I'm going to jump in here and I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go module.exports equals that. That's probably right. Yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll go like that, and then fantastic, and there we go. Look at that. We're chatting. We still have handle message. Oh, that's right. We have handle message. That's because inside of here, I went and edited one of the files in the node module TMI. I edited that, so I'm just going to delete it. npm I. The stuff we already have in there. There we go. We should be good to go. And now let's chat. Chat? Is chat? Why are you guys so slow? User state is not defined. I am such a dummy. Wait. Okay, there we go. Go. There we go. Yeah. And anybody want to cheer 500 bits? Okay, it worked yesterday. I thought it might work again today, but clearly it didn't. Oh my goodness, it worked! Got him! Oh, got him! We got the bits, boys! Bits! We got the bits, boys! We got that cheer. Hell yeah. Give it to me. Give it to me. I'm not falling for that shit again. I almost feel like I need to add in message. Let's add in message just in case. That way we know. There we go. I can't believe you guys got bamboozled twice by this. Let's go. Even Jerkle came in, but Jerkle, you were a little too quick, and it didn't show up. Okay, cheer 500, like that's gonna work. And chat is dumb, confirmed. Let's go. Thank you for the $10, boys. All right, so this is actually looking good. We're in a good place. I like what's happening. So we need to take this, and I really want to make my server so it's like a little bit smarter so I don't have to like rewrite everything every single time. So let's go in here and let's build out something that's a little bit nicer. We're gonna have a package, and we're gonna go in package, and we're gonna have a process source. Yeah, and we're gonna go in here and go, let's go like this. Let's go td.go. All right, so this is gonna be my package.processors, and this is how we're going to actually run everything, right? So I'm going to have a function, right? We should have something called, I guess we should have something called, I don't know, main.go. I don't know really what to call this one. I don't know, what's like the index package that people go and look into, right? So I can go like this, processor interface, and it just simply has a process which should take in a string, right? And that's that. Does it need to return anything? Now that's the question. What? All right, out, and this should be a chan string. Yeah, is that fair? Like I just feed in a bunch of stuff, and then it just poops out something every now and then. Yeah. Hey Rezer, thank you. Yeah. Ooh, what's that one? It didn't do anything. Nice try, Satan. Nice try, Satan. What's a chan? It's a 4chan. Everybody knows. Sup, nerds. Hey, thank you. Just, why is there code? Okay, there we go. So this should be pretty easy. This should be a nice try, Shy. So there we go. So we have the process. We have that thing. So let's do this little TDD. And so I'm going to go like this. Struct TD processor. Right? Isn't this kind of like how you would do this? I can never tell. I did break, by the way, I did break the first rule of Go, 100 Go mistakes, which was don't create an inner... What's the exact quote? It's a great quote. I'm trying to learn Go in a more complete way, and so I'm reading books on it. I know. There's a quote that I just really loved. Check this out. Check this quote out. It has the word interface. By the way, Scrum are clerics that are bad at healing. It might be the greatest thing ever said. Don't worry, I stole it. I didn't make this up. Dude, where is it? Do I really tweet this much? Dude, I need to shut the hell up. Oh, there we go. I gotta shut the hell up, man. What the hell's going on here? We should create an interface when we need it, not when we foresee that we could need it. This is a great one, by the way. Create a tweet limiter, just like bread. Make the interface for things I will never need. I know that's not specific to Go. Yeah, I know, but it is specifically a Go mistake. True dat. I don't agree. Really, you don't agree? Hit me with why. Honestly, hit me with why. Big board me. Big board me. La jota. La jota. Hotakar. Hotakar. If you hit me with Hotakar, I'm going to be upset. Don't you hit me with Hotakar. Don't. Because if you're going to need an interface in the future, the damage is already done when you don't already have one. Yeah, but the inverse is also true. You often create interfaces for something you will not need in the future. So what ends up happening, you have a bunch of interfaces everywhere when you actually don't need them at all. So the inverse is equally as bad, if not worse, because you interface everything that is not needed. That is why it's so good, is that you just don't do that until you need it. And often, if you go from one item to two items, changing that interface is really easy. Right, it's really small. Hotakar, yeah, thank you, Hotakar. It's actually a pretty fun. It's a pretty funny joke. It's JK in Spanish. The wrong abstraction is worse than duplication. Facts, logic. Why not have a middle ground? Because middle grounds are a pathway to hell. All right, let's go like this. Seconds. This is an int, I believe. Actually, no. What is it? Is it a time? What the hell is the thing? What are you called? I bet you have. Yeah, it's like time seconds, right? Even though I know this thing is like an int, but it's. Oh, okay. It is actually an int. Nice. It's just an int. Cool. All right. Okay, cool. It's just an int. What else do we want? I think that's all we want. And so then we need some. And then all we're going to be sending out, so we're going to go like this. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Oh, thank you, Copilot. See, this is where Copilot's really good. Do you see that? Copilot is really good this way. Out, chance string, right? Can I just make this public? Ah, crap. I just want to make it public. Ah, crap. It's an interface, so we're just going to deal with it, right? We're just going to deal with it. This is how fast you should be doing stuff. Yep, this all looks good. Fantastic. I love Copilot when it comes to boilerplate, right? That was so nice. That boilerplate generation was so good at this. It is just so good. The man just wants an int. The man just wants an int. All right, so there we go. So we got this. So now we're going to take the process. So here's my general idea, is that this is where I need to create the timer in here. Because right now I have the timer out here, right? You see this? I have the timer out here. I need to move that timer away. We don't want that timer to exist anymore, right? So I'm going to take that. I'm going to go back here, and I am going to go, we got to go like this. Let's paste that in here. Let's go like this. Processor equals this. By the way, this is why async in Go is so dang easy. So dang easy. So dang easy. Go, funk, yo, self, rust. All right, boom. All right. Now that we're in here, now we can just literally just rip this thing out, right? We're ripping it out. We're ripping it out. Savant. Okay. So I'm going to go like this. So here's the real question. How do we want to do this? I have this bad boy right here, right? I have this bad boy right here, and I want to do something with this case where I create a ticker, right? Ticker, let's go back over here. Let's grab that thing. Go back here, paste that thing in. F6 seconds. I guess we probably don't need seconds here, huh? We probably don't need that. 3 down, F that. F-yo couch. Oh, we do. I think I put it right here. We don't need that, right? We just have the channel that we need. And so now I need to create a ticker, and I just want to run that ticker constantly, right? And in here, how do we want to do this? This is where I need to make the choice. This is where I need to make the choice to just to pull out stuff and reset stuff. You know what I mean? Pull out stuff, reset stuff. Tick her. I hardly know her. Okay, you calm down. You calm down, little buddy. All right. So we need to take this, and this is where I need to like evacuate the state, right? I just need to evacuate this dang state. Let's go like this, right? I just need this thing right here. I need to pull from it, and then emit state, and we need the clear state, right? There we go. Does that make sense? So there we go. So we have this thing, bada bing, bada boom. Now this is where we need the keep state. Every time I receive something, if it's in the appropriate site, because remember, what is our goal right now? Our goal is to place towers in Neovim, okay? Our goal is to place a tower in Neovim. Got so distracted by the interfaces that I'm now down a rabbit hole, damn it. Yeah, you should be. Anyways, our goal is just to place towers. That's it. And you guys get to place them. Yeah. Oopsies, here we go. There you go. I'll throw those up for you. Make a GUI. No, we're not making a GUI. We're using Neovim. This is real talk. We're doing Neovim, okay? All right, so when we process, what do we need? Effectively, we need to go like this. Let's see. If, we'll go like this. String split, we'll go parts equals strings dot split on the colon, right? The thing that sucks is that can names have colons in Twitch? Can names have colons? I don't think so. No. So in other words, no one's sure. Can names have prostates? Now that's a real question we need to answer. Hey, someone, what's the name of the plugin that shows the errors in the little squares? That's called Vim. That's just Vim. That's just plain old Vim. This is the diagnostics. It's enabled in diagnostics. Long as you have a language server hooked up, it will run because the diagnostics just run automatically. Okay. I can't imagine that's always true because sometimes I see names that are different than this thing, right? How much coffee did you drink? I had a cup this morning, and now I'm drinking a little bit of tea. All right, anyways, okay. Awesome. So we split this thing. Really, I think there's like split once, right? Split n. There we go. Split n. And what is split n? What's the interface? It's in how many times you want to do that. I'm going to do it twice, right? So we get the first, wait, no, we want 3 parts, right? We want 3 parts. We want the type of message, the name, and then the rest. Bam. Okay, good. Love it. Love Go. Go is so effing good. If parts does not equal 3, wait, no, it has to. Well, yeah, if it doesn't equal 3, then I'm just going to return, right? F you, F that, F your shoes, F your coat, right? We're getting out. The name, you know what the name is. You have a programming chat copilot, but W, real programmers, that's cool. Wait, what? Who? What? What? All right, so we're gonna we're gonna take this. We don't want that. We want to go if parts 0 equals TD. Shut up. Equals or does not equal message. Then a return, right? Get the hell out of here. So we got that. So now all we need is the last part, which is going to be the contents, and we're going to want to store this. We're going to go like this: contents equals part 2. Now let's define the message. So for you guys to do this, I want you to send the following message: tower X Y. Everybody okay with that one? Tower X Y right here. This is what we want. Tower X Y. Yeah. Okay, good. TXY. Perfect. That's what you guys are going to be sending. We're going to go like this. Function. We're going to go like this. type TD point is going to be a struct, and it's going to have an X, which is going to be an int. It's going to have a Y, which is an int, and it's going to have nothing else. And we're going to have a func from string, TD point from string. Gosh, I wish they had a from string trait. Can we all agree? Get the hell out of there. I don't think we need it to be that way. Okay, please stop doing that. Strings. Gosh. I wish there was a way to easily select that out of here. We want 3 parts, and we go like this. If length of parts does not equal 3, then return. Maybe we do need this one. We'll do this one. Nil. If parts 0 does not equal t, is it t? Is it t? It's t. Okay, it does not equal t, then return nil. Else, we'll go like this. X equals stir convert part 1. Awesome. Let's do that and take that one out, and then we'll do the same thing with y. We'll put it right here. If oh my goodness. If either of those two things happen, else we're going to return. Boom. Okay, we got that done. Real quick, real easy. Let's go. Split your colon, people. People, split your colon. TD point from string. Let's go. We get this thing, and we go into here. Parts 2. If, let's see. If contents equals nil, then return. Else, we don't have to do that. We'll do that, and we'll just go, what's this thing? This is where we need to keep track of our points. Right now, we're going to have points, which is going to be an array of TD points. Yeah, that seems about right. 6 up, and we'll go like this. TD.points, append TD points. Let's go. Awesome. This is fantastic. Now, the real question is, I have this as not a pointer. I return this thing as a pointer. Can I just do is there some sort of, like, issue with doing this? What's the issue? Thank you for the wrong delimiter. Appreciate that. What's like the Go policy on this? Hey, thank you for that. Revals. Appreciate that. Looks cursed? What's cursed about it? That's like a one-on-one Go mistake? Okay. Okay, that's fine. I'll just go like that. That's fine. Because obviously it's already an array, right? An array of pointers may have nils. Good call. So an array is already a pointer, correct? Well, it's already a pointer. Isn't this already a pointer? Isn't this an implicit pointer? Well, bro, you were joking? Well, guess what? You were actually right by accident, dummy. It is true. An array of pointer may have nils. And so to prevent myself ever having to think about nils, it's always really nice to just have t, right? Just have t as opposed to pass the struct as a reference, as opposed to doing, yeah, exactly. Pass the struct as a reference, but have an array of structs. That makes sense. It actually makes sense. I'm not sure if there's any sort of, other than like really basic improvement of like really basic speed stuff, like, hey, you're not iterating over a double pointer, instead it's a single pointer, right? Like, besides for that, I don't really see, like, you know. All right, so good. So we pretty much have all of this. This is looking good. So when we do this, I got to take this thing now. Invalid operation. What's the problem? Isn't this what I did? Isn't this what I did right here? Wait, por qué, Maria? ¿Por qué, Maria? What's wrong here? Why is this a problem? Oh, this is implicitly converting it, isn't it? That means oh my goodness. That means t, if I did this and pasted that and did this, I'd get a duration. We got a duration. There's an implicit conversion. We got converted on. All right, so what do I got to do? Do I have to go like this? It's like, what is it? Is it time.duration? Is that how you do casting? How do you do casting? Oh, I got to do it on this thing. Time.duration, right? Is that how we do this? Why you got to be that? Variable type in, not an interface. What does that even mean? I just want to. I just got to figure out. Sorry, I'm still like a rookie when it comes to this. Okay, so I can't cast it that way. Do I go like this? Is that the way you do it? Oh, that's the way you do it. See, I don't know these things, okay? I don't know these things. I'm new here. Okay, Jerkle. Type conversion in Go feels illegal. Yeah. What the hell is Neovim? This is Neovim. We're going to build it. We're building We are building the tower defense in Neovim. All right, so this looks good. I like what I see here. We got the ticker, we got the process, we do the process, we do this. So that means I need to go the following. Do I need a mutex? Do I effing need a mutex? I probably need a mutex, don't I? I need a mutex, don't I? The reason being is that I have a thread that's running the timer, and then I have this thing being executed on some other thread. Would it be? I mean, what would I do here? Would I just actually turn this into another case statement over here, and just do something like that, and just have a internal channel here? Is that how I'd avoid the mutex? When you channel, why you need mutex? Well, the problem is that this thing runs on a separate channel, right? Right? You know what I mean? You need a channel and communicate. Yeah. So would I go like this? Would I go point channel? Would I do something like that and do TD point? Is that how I do this? Yeah, and then I'd jump into here and I'd go point channel TD that. All right. And also get the points made. Fantastic. Right, there we go. We got that thing. So that means I would then also have a select, do one of these. I don't know how to do selects very well. What is select? Oh, it's a case. That's how you do it. Okay, so you do a case, right? So I'd actually have points channel, right? Processor dot points channel does this thing, which this thing would be point, right? Or I'd go case this, right? There we go. Is that more correct? I think that's more correct, right? Right? And so then I'd take this thing and I would actually Is that like how I'd avoid the mutex, right? I think that's right, right? I think so. All right, let's take our point. Just use the mutex for the standard library. I don't want to use a mutex because then I slow down everything. I don't think I need to do that. I don't really want to have a mutex because then I don't want to do the mutex. Mutexes are always poopy, right? I try to avoid mutexes because they always end up being, mutaces always end up being, you know, it's the same reason why I used to do mass mutalisks in StarCraft, and then I realized that you run into a problem, the hash map mutalisks problem. It's the same, the hash map mutex problem is the same problem as mutalisks. They all go into one little ball and a single rocket destroys everything, right? It's the same problem. It's literally the same problem. Is a mutex inside channels? I think it's a lock-free channel, a lock-free queue. What rank did I do? Diamond. Diamond is my highest rank in StarCraft 2, I believe. I was never that great. It's just okay. Select is like select, yes. Channels have mutacies, do they? I thought they were lock-free queues. Are you sure? Are you sure that they're not lock-free queues? Sounds a little suspicious. I think they're lock-free queues. I'd be surprised if they weren't. Okay, make sure you add capacity. Okay, 7, thank you for that. Do I just do it as a second argument? It's not that I need much space for any of these things. You're sending one message at a time, right? How can they be lock-free if they're blocking? I just thought the queue side was lock-free. I don't know. I'd have to think about that. I don't know. I've never implemented channels. Second length is third capacity. Whoa, slow down now, bro. Slow down now, bro. Okay, here we go. Anyways, we take this thing, and so now we need to have occurring, right? Occurrences. And we're going to have a map of int to TD point, right? Or int to count. Yes, yes, int to int. Yes, yes, yes. Now this is, okay, people, we're about to do something very tricky. Are you ready for this? Are you ready to shit your pants? They could still have no mutex and be lock-free. Non-mutex locks exist. In any case, they should get to working before your micromanager bottlenecks you. Yes. Are you ready to shit your pants? So we're going to go over every single point, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to go like this. Point equals... oh, crap. P equals point dot x times 1,000. Yes. Yeah. Except for I want y to be that, x to be this. There we go. We did a little projection. We hit the occurrences, P++, and then we're going to go in here and actually we don't even need this thing, right? Yeah, I think we can hit him with a, because that way I don't have to walk it twice, max occurrence, right? And we do a little max occurrence. We do this one. If occurrence P is greater than max occurrence equals control P. There we go. We're going to do that. And now once we have that, we go like this. We're going to go like this. X equals max occurrences divided by that y equals max occurrences divided by 1,000. There we go. Now we have our points back out. Yeah, we did that. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, we did. Isn't that great? Doesn't that make you happy that we did that? And so let's go like this. We are going to send out this thing out of our processor. There we go. And now we're going to go processor points equals new array. Let's go. Let's go. Was that pretty great? Chat, let chat do projection. You like that? That was a pretty great one. I feel very happy about this choice. Beautiful way to select out the max point that has occurred over the last 15 seconds, right? I guess I could move a lot of this into, I mean, technically I could move this into a better structure, right? We could move this into a better structure. We could, couldn't we? Yeah, hell yeah, we can. Because really, all I need to do is make a map of int, right? That's my points. And then I don't even need to store them. Right? I don't even need to store them. I don't even need to store these sons of bitches. You know what I mean? We don't need to do that. We don't need to do that. We just take our little projection right here and we get the hell going on this one. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah. And then we could also have a max occurrence int. There we go. Right? Why spend all that time doing stuff? You know what I mean? I thought point was a TD point. Was that not an X? Yeah, that's an X. All right, so this all looks good. Let's go like this. Do I not have occurrences? Oh yeah, it's just points. Points P is better than processor max occurrence. Let's go. If that's the case, then we just go like this. Processor max occurrence equals a processor. What is it? Oh, come on. Give me that nice autocomplete. There we go. We got that. There we go. All right, fantastic. We got it down. So this, I mean, I just feel more clever about this, right? Because you don't have to do the for loop just to do the for loop. You know what I mean? Like, why build an array to do things just to do the things later? This is one of those things that can dramatically simplify your code, is finding the times you can do a dynamic algorithm as opposed to a non-dynamic algorithm, right? It just makes things way more simple. Like, just do it in line. Don't try to be clever. Sometimes you try to be too clever, or I guess it's the opposite of being clever. It's like clever but not clever. I'm not really sure how to put it, but maybe it is clever to do it this way, but it just makes life way easier. Go stands for get shit done. Yeah. The Grug way. Sometimes you start off with the Grug way and then you realize you've done something. Blank line between the case statements or not. I don't. It's all the same to me, right? I mean, meh. There you go. All right, so now we have this thing all done. So that means we have our little processor, which means I should be able to go back here. And what I really want to be able to do is we have our TCP out, we have our standard in, and now what we want to be able to do is take in stuff from our processor. So how do we create a processor based on flags? Right now, we don't care, right? Processor, right now we don't care. We'll just go like this, processors dot new tower defense processor. Let's call it 10, right? Because you guys get to create a tower every 10, right? And we'll go like that and go processor dot out and go like this. Point point equals that, right? And then we just go like this, TCP out point. Standard, oh, I deleted the standard in. Oh, crap, what did I do to this thing? What did I do to this thing? Oh, that's right, because I was reading from the standard in right here like a dummy. I was reading in from the standard in like a dummy. Okay, so we do got to put it right there. All right, for select this, that, case, point, processor, out. Let's go. Let's go. Take that. Move it in. Delete this one. Oh, wait. Take that one out. We got that point in. There we go. So now we take this and we go, what is it? We got to go processor.process s. There we go. Gosh, it's like I'm almost good at Go. For never using Go in my life, I feel like I'm okay at Go. Are you guys ready to test this bad boy out? Do you think we should see what could happen here? Do you think we got something going here? Format, print, Go, that son of a bitch. Okay, there we go. I think this could work. All right, yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. All right, so there we go. Let's go like this. Let's take this thing again, and I believe I just go like this. We're gonna just run it. I hate this. Take my bits. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. What did I do wrong? Fuck off. Okay, these are all crap. Okay. We want to do something with that, but not right now. All right, there you go. No more problems with that. All right, so everybody, it will go every 10 seconds, and it will emit. Dude, how long have you been waiting to be an asshole? I just want to know, how long has the asshole been waiting in you? You son of a bitch. Goodness gracious. All right, so I don't even know if this works, so maybe it doesn't work at all. But I cannot believe I already got had by that. Why is there code? Thank you, Srabrute. All right, so I think I've effed it up. Shockingly, all of that is correct. All of that is correct. If x is less than 0, or y is less than 0, or x is greater than 1,000, or y is greater than 1,000, we're gonna be done, right? Actually, in fact, we should probably have it 80 by 20, right? Like you can't. There we go. Yeah. Famu! How you doing? How's those options doing? Are you still making fun of TJ? Always a big fan of making fun of TJ. How you doing, buddy, though? For loop. Okay, we got all this. We should be in here. We should be able to do this. We should be able to make a new one of those. We should be looking at this. I don't see how this is. Oh, my goodness. I see what I did wrong right away. I also forgot process max occurrences equals 0. Processor max occurrence equals 0. So let's go like this. Let's go like this. Format, print, this thing, processor points. There we go. We're going to just get everything out. We're going to print that thing right here. We're going to jump down here, and we're going to go like this. We're going to do X, Y, do that, and delete that, and delete, what is it? Processor max occurrence, right? There we go. What's the loop for? What loop? The loop is to keep on running forever, right? We need to run forever. It has to keep on grabbing stuff and keep running, right? It's either processing a tick or it's processing a point coming in, right? Yeah. And then we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go format.print contents. There we go. All right. What do we get out of here? Contents, we got a bunch of nils. Okay, so some of these things should not be nil. So hold on, let's go like this. Some of those things should not be nil. So obviously I got a problem. I got a problem. Parts 2. Right? Oh my goodness, I couldn't. Oh my goodness, I can't type. I can't. I'm having a stroke. Okay, I need to use TextMate. I need to use TextMate, people. Where's TextMate? I'm having a stroke. All right. I just joined. Why on earth should I be dumb? You just are. Okay, so these should have been correct, right? Those are all correct. So why aren't they? I'm skill issuing. I'm skill issuing hard. Okay, so let's go like this. Format, print parts. Okay, what do we got out of parts? Parts, T11. Okay, so that's looking good. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, so if parts does not equal T, return this. If parts, okay. X equals D, X, there we go. And can I also do, can I do a Boolean and go, error does not equal nil? There we go, we'll take that one. We'll put that one in here. Oopsies. Format B has, oh, is that not Boolean? Okay, what is, Dev! Okay, V, like what the, how do I print how do you print a mother, Div, what the hell just happened here? Thank you, Div, for the 20 gifted subs. I appreciate that. Damn, thank you. Wait, can someone send one to me? On. Okay, now we're processing nothing. Look at that. It processes it once, and then it stops processing. Look at that. Okay, what the hell happened? Hey, thanks, Div. Why am I bad on this? Okay, so why is processing not processing? I should be able to... All right, why is that not working? Okay, got a string, WTF, Crimson. Oh, dude, what did Crimson Mama do? Did you do something as well? Am I missing stuff? Sorry. Whenever I get in the zone, it's sometimes, shouldn't you change your software to Devocate? But no. Crimson Mama, thank you. All right. Look at this. Okay, contents equals this. So this should be the one. This should be the one. Look at this. Wait, why? What did Y do? Why is Y not a number? Okay, why is Y not a number? Can we all just take a second and try to figure out why Y is not a number? Okay, why is Y not a number? Look at this. And give it to me, rah. Give me the meat and give it to me, rah. Give me the meat. All right, I need to know what the parts were. How did that happen? How the hell did that happen? All right, first we're gonna go like this. Parts. Hold on. Sorry, I love you guys. Okay. Thank you, Yakiro, for the 5 subs. Thank you, Div, for the 20. Nan. Y contains a new line. That's my suspicion, is Y contains a new line. You know what I'm talking about? Y contains a new line. I think you're right on this one, but let's find out. Let's dip this hot dog the deepest it's ever been dipped. Can we all agree that it's hot dog dipping time? Thank you for the 40 gifted subs. What was that? Damn, dude, that hot dog. Nice face, bro. Bro, did you not see that face? I was like, Okay, I will that face. That's a girthy dog. All right, dude, this should have been so simple. Why am I so stupid? How am I so bad at Go? All right, let's go like this. Parts, TD, point from string. All right, why am I so bad? There's a hype train. Am I missing out, girls? That is how you properly growl, by the way. That's how I got a wife. You guys probably don't get that because you guys probably don't have wives. But if you did, you would understand. You don't. All right, let's see it. Give me some gosh dang points. All right, what went wrong here? What the hell went wrong here? Okay, look at this. We got the following. You son of a bitch, just give me a real one. All right, so what do we got here? Oh my goodness, there's a new line. You asshole. God, yeah. Dude, I hate new lines. Why is my life one new line? I hate new lines. I hate them. I just hate the fact that they exist. Isn't it not just the worst that new lines just exist? All right. Returns a slice of the string with all the leading and trailing white space removed. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. All right, so let's go like this. Let's go in here and let's find all the places. Look at this one. Are you ready for this one? We're going to go like this. Are you guys ready for this one? %G format dot print /D. Nuts. Gone. Isn't that great? Isn't that like a great little command right there? Got rid of them all. All right. This should be good. We should be good. We are good. We are now good. All right, give it to me. Give it to me. Here we go. We got a lot of strings. Give me some real ones. Give me some real ones. We got some 420s. We got some 69s. We got some 1.1s. We got a point 120. 120. Wait, how was 120 even a thing? Damn it. Am I still somehow not parsing things correctly? You fuck. All right. Bullshit. All right. Let's go like this. Let's just give it the old jump back in here, go back here. Let's go 1 minute ago. We go in here. We're going to just save that, okay? We got all of our stuff back. We got that one. We got that one. We get this one. I'm going to close this thing off. Why? I don't know why the standard in stops reading. Can anyone tell me why standard in just stops reading? Why does standard in stops reading? Why does one TCP out F me in the standard in? Why am I getting F in the standard in? Okay, so I think it's because I'm actually getting a problem here. So let's go like this. Let's actually erase TCP out for now. Okay, I'm just gonna erase TCP out. Make sure that that's not a problem. Dude, I'm getting F in the standard in right now. Okay, here we go. All right, point from string. Okay, so look at this. Point from string is this. T7724. 77, false, false, false. Fantastic. Contents, that. Let's go. Okay, so that was correct. That is correct. All right, so then it must be the way I'm storing things that it makes me a dummy. %G, get the hell out of here. Go out of... My dog. My man. Appreciate that. I just would like to let you know that deep down in the cockles, you may have heard of the cockles. They're right next to my Go channels, and they appreciate you, okay? Just saying. The cockles are appreciating right now, okay? We doing cockles again? Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, bro, we're doing it. We're going deep in the cockles. All right, let's do this. So we got this one, TD point. We got this right here. So we're going to grab this thing. We're going to just line up these things. But do you know what the thing we're missing is right? What's the one we're going to do? We're missing the projection formulae. Okay, we're going to go like this. Format, projection point formulae. Okay, which means that we should be able to break this down, this son of a bitch down by doing the following. We should be able to do this one. P... let's go like this. Let's go. We should be able to go X, and we should be able to go Y, and we're gonna go like this. P modulo 1000. Thank you for that sub. Just hold on. Okay, we got this point. We got point %V. Put it in there. F my D. Go here. Really, literally, I literally pressed FD, right? That means jump forward to D. So I F'd my D. Okay, for those that are like, oh, you can't be saying that shit on Twitch. What is this? This is kids programming. You can F my D, okay, bro. All right, so we got this thing. This is looking correct. We jump in here. We're going to push that in. Push it in deep. Give me it. Why would you give me an F? Gosh, I hate you. Okay, 1-1. I mean, that's so effing correct. Got a point. What? Stop the count. Why? Yeah! Oh, I'm so stupid. It's so obvious. It's so obvious. It's so obvious, my problem. Now that you say it that way, it's so obvious. First try. Can we get a first try, boys? Here, hold on. Jerkle, hold your pants, okay? make it happen every, oh, actually, let's make it happen. Let's make it go faster. Let's make it every 5 seconds, okay? 5 seconds, most occurring chat. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, can we get a 69-69? Give me a 69-69. Give me a 69-69. Give me a 69-6. Wait, you can't do a 69-69? Y cannot exceed 20. Y cannot exceed 20, which is probably stupid of me to do now that I think about it. Let's go like down here and let's go to, let's make it 40, okay? You cannot exceed 40 with Y. Let's go. And then not only that, I'm going to go down here and we're going to go up here. And before we do that, we're going to go format. Yes, print. Yes, not this. Take that out and go map. Is this map? Give them the V. You know what I'm talking about? And process these points. Okay, so check this out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check. All right, so this is what we had available. Oh, yeah, that's looking good. Look at that. Projection worked and everything. We had single number integer storages for our little points, and everything is looking so damn good. We're actually running. We're running. Actually, this part's a little bit confusing. Why did this one break? This one should have been this. No, it was this that ran. Okay. Wait. Are we off by 1? Is my Y off by 1? All right, 22. 2212. 2212 had 1. So why? Okay, so this is wrong. Why am I not selecting this one? Why am I not selecting this one right here? Why did I not get this one? Something's wrong. We're still wrong. You think I'd write a unit test at this point? You think I would just write a I don't even know how to write an effing unit test, okay? How do I write a unit test? I'm actually being bullied by Copilot. I am being bullied by Copilot. Career is over. Career is over. All right. TD equals new TD processor. Let's go. We got this. What do you mean package can't have that? Package can totally have that, right? Package test. Wait, how do I make it a test? Do I do like that? Is that how I do it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 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 Knew that. There we go. And we'll do it every 1 second, I guess. That's kind of shitty. I don't really want to do a 1 second. I don't want to do it. I don't want any part of this. Yeah, well, the nice part, maybe there's, I'd like to, oh my goodness. I'd like to create a way, what is going on there? I swear I'm like typing things and it's not coming through. Process 1111. Right? Now I have to go td.out, out, right? And so I should be able to go like this. Res equals that, right? Is that how I do this? Is that right? I think so. Then I do something like if res does not equal, wait. If res does not equal, I think, what's the out message? How do I design the out message? T. I should probably call it, yeah, I guess it's tower at that position, right? It's tower at that position, right? Then what do I do? T error this, got res. Okay, is that correct? Go test. Because I'm running on a separate thread. I'm running on a separate thread, so I shouldn't have to sleep or do anything, right? I shouldn't have to sleep or do anything. It should just work. It should just work. Am I wrong? Am I that bad at Go? I could be that bad at Go. Honestly, I really could be that bad at Go. I could be that bad at Go. Like, to be completely fair. Just for fun, I'm going to go like the following. It received nothing. I've received nothing. Based skill issue. I'm having a skill issue. Okay, so why am I not getting this? Why am I not getting this? Am I really? Oh, I must. Got it. Bad at go. Okay, so we did get something here. Let's jump up here. So what's going on here? If process points P is greater than process max occurrence, set it to this. Okay, so we do have, it's a fundamental problem. We actually have a max occurrence count versus that, right? That's okay, there's my problem. That's my problem, right? Because we have max occurrence is this, processor max occurrence count equals that, and that's the one we want to have, right? We have count versus max occurrence, right? I mean, I guess it'd be max whatever. There we go. We got it to pass. It's that simple. I knew what I was doing this whole time. I actually was just doing it to make sure that you guys knew what you were doing, because I could tell right away that we got nothing but a bunch of Go virgins in here, okay, that they don't know what the hell they're doing. But I happen to know what the hell I did. Never doubted me, Pick. You never doubted me. It takes first win. 5-11. Let's go. Got point. 0-0. I don't know about 0-0. Okay, we got a lot of 0. Please don't do 0-0. 6-9. I'm happy about this. We actually got going here. Okay, hold on. You guys are literally trolling me. So, fuck shoes, fuck couch, fucking. I swear, I genuinely dislike you guys. I actually think you're all a bunch of assholes. Okay? I swear you do this to me every time. And I just want the answer. Okay, I just want an effing answer. Okay, this is looking good. We got 2 for 0. I cannot believe you guys are still doing 0. I just want to kick you in the boot. Okay. Okay, well, that now makes no sense. Wait, how did we get there? Wait, how are we getting all 0s? Okay, stop with the 0s! Anything but 0, people! It's constantly winning! Shut up! Oh my goodness, Oh my goodness, you tied me again. You sons of bitches! Oh my goodness. I have never been more... Oh my goodness, I can't get it to say anything but 0. I have never thought I would hate somebody, and yet here I am. Look at me go. I actually can't get it to say anything other than 0. This is just... I don't want to stream full time. I'm over it. I'm done. Who are we hosting? I quit. Fuck your shoes, everything. I'm out.